welcome back to a new video. So if today is your first time of watching my videos or visiting my channel, click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that each time that I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, and when clicking on the bell icon, please click all so that you can get all the notification. Okay guys, so in today's video I want to be introducing a nice set of beauty products, or let me just say cosmetic products, that is very good. Okay, it's a whitener, but at the same time it helps to repair your skin and moisturizes your skin. So it's very good that you try out some new products. Okay, so so it comes like that. There are three of them. There are three of them. So I'll be telling you one after the order, like which one is which. Okay, so like this one, this is the body cream. Yeah, this is the body cream. It can also be used on the face because it helps with anti-aging. It removes anything like wrinkles and aging signs. So but it just it has ginseng extract in it. It's called So What. It's actually a very nice cream. It's very small. It's just 220. What's the size? Wait, the size is, this is the size, and it's made in the Thailand. It's made in the Thailand. It's under Mimi products. That is the brand name, Mimi. So this is the soap, but it's just written aha on it. Like mostly they write aha. This one too is aha, but it's Mimi White, or you can just say aha products. Okay, this one too, this like I said. So if you want to like maintain a very nice skin color, you get the cream and then you pour the serum inside and then you use it. Okay, and then for the soap you use it face and body. Use it face and body. Okay, so this is how this kit works. It's a mini kit, but it's very nice, like for those that just want to give their skin a treat. You go for it because it's a bit expensive. I can't lie to you, it's a bit expensive. Yeah, so this is this for this video guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Okay, bye.